Thousands of seniors and immigrants face IRS penalties every year for foreign accounts they didn't know they had to report. The rules haven't changed recently, but enforcement has gotten much more aggressive. If you were born outside the US or you're over 60 with foreign ties, this affects you directly. Here's who this affects. Seniors who retired abroad or spend time overseas, receive foreign pensions, own property in another country, or keep emergency funds in foreign accounts. And all immigrants, green card holders with accounts back home, naturalized citizens, yes, even after you become a citizen, and anyone who maintains financial ties to their country of origin. Let me tell you about the two critical forms you need to know. First, the FBAR, the Foreign Bank Account Report. You must file this if your foreign accounts total more than $10,000 at any point during the year. It's due April 15th with an automatic extension to October 15th. This gets filed separately from your tax return and goes to FinCEN, not the IRS. Failure to file can cost you $10,000 in penalties per account for honest mistakes, and up to $100,000 or 50% of your account balance if the IRS believes you did it intentionally. Second is Form 8938, the Statement of Foreign Financial Assets. You file this if your foreign assets exceed these thresholds. If you're single and living in the US, $50,000 at year-end or $75,000 at any time during the year. If you're married filing jointly, $100,000 at year-end or $150,000 at any time. These thresholds are higher if you live abroad. The initial penalty is $10,000 and can increase to $50,000 if you don't respond to IRS notices. So what exactly must you report? Foreign bank accounts, even small or dormant ones. Foreign pensions and retirement accounts. Foreign investment accounts. Foreign rental income. Foreign business interests. Foreign social security benefits. Even if you paid taxes in that country, you still must report it here. The United States taxes worldwide income for residents and citizens. Here's what many people don't know about the immigration connection. USCIS can see your tax compliance. If you're applying for citizenship, they will ask about foreign accounts. They cross-check with IRS records. I've seen citizenship applications delayed 8 to 12 months because of unreported foreign accounts. In some cases, applications are denied if the government believes the failure was intentional. Let me share a real example. A 65-year-old woman applied for citizenship after 20 years as a green card holder. She had a small account in India with $15,000. She'd never heard of an FBAR. During her citizenship interview, USCIS asked if she'd filed FBARs. She said, "What's an FBAR?" Her application was frozen. It took 8 months and over $5,000 in professional fees to resolve. She was eventually approved, but it was completely preventable. Here's what you need to do now. Step 1. Make an inventory. List every foreign account, investment, and asset. Include the institution name, country, account number, and highest balance during 2025. Step 2. Calculate your thresholds. Add up all foreign accounts. Did they exceed $10,000 total at any point? That's your FBAR requirement. Did they exceed the Form 8938 thresholds? You may need both forms. Step 3. Catch up if needed. If you've never filed FBARs, the IRS has a streamlined filing compliance procedure. This is for people whose failure was unintentional. You can catch up with reduced or no penalties. Do this voluntarily. Being caught by the IRS is much worse than coming forward yourself. Step 4. Get professional help. Consider hiring a tax professional if your accounts exceed $100,000. You have accounts in multiple countries, you receive foreign pension income, you're applying for citizenship, or you need to catch up on past years. The cost ranges from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on complexity. That's much less than the penalties you could face. Let me address some common mistakes people make. First mistake: I didn't know I had to report it. The forms exist specifically to inform you. Going forward, you can't claim ignorance. Second mistake: the account is small. Size doesn't matter. A dormant account with $500 still counts toward your $10,000 FBAR threshold. Third mistake: I'm a citizen now, this doesn't apply. If you're a naturalized citizen, you still have these obligations. You must report worldwide income and accounts. Fourth mistake: my country has a tax treaty. Tax treaties may reduce double taxation, but they don't eliminate reporting requirements. Speaking of tax treaties, the United States has treaties with over 60 countries. These can help you avoid being taxed twice on the same income. However, treaties do not excuse you from filing FBAR or Form 8938. You must still report the accounts. Here's your timeline. Right now, in February 2026, review your 2025 foreign accounts and determine what forms you need. By April 15, 2026, file your FBAR for 2025 or get the automatic extension to October 15th. Also file your 2025 tax return with Form 8938 if required. If you're behind, use the Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedures to catch up. You'll need to file the last 3 years of tax returns and 6 years of FBARs. Why does this matter so much? The penalties are severe: $10,000 per account for unintentional violations, up to $100,000 or 50% of the account balance if willful. Criminal prosecution is possible for intentional concealment. For green card holders and citizenship applicants, expect automatic flags to USCIS, months of delays, extensive document requests, and possible denial if deemed willful. Here's something critical you need to understand. The IRS has access to foreign bank information through international agreements. Most foreign banks now report U.S. account holder information directly to the IRS. They already know about many of these accounts. The rules aren't new, but enforcement is aggressive. If you're a senior with foreign ties or an immigrant maintaining accounts back home, take action now. Make your inventory, calculate your requirements, file what you need to file. If you're behind, catch up using the streamlined procedures. Don't wait until you're sitting in a citizenship interview being asked why you never reported that account. Don't wait for a $10,000 penalty notice. Protect yourself. Protect your immigration status. Get compliant today.